Hello, guys, and welcome to another post market and pre market analysis of Bank Nifty and Nifty on January 3rd. Okay, so this is the price action of Bank Nifty for today, and it has been an extremely roller coaster ride for the Bank Nifty because you have seen Bank Nifty going all the way down and then again try to came back, but then again has seen some pullback towards the bottom and again has seen a couple of swing highs here. Okay, and finally it has settled somewhere in this zone. Okay, to summarize, okay, Bank Nifty has opened at this level. Okay, so at this level, and this is the initial 5 minute candle of Bank Nifty, which is pretty large. In this case, it's almost uh, measuring first candle, its range itself is measuring around 270 points. So we have seen close somewhere in the same region. Okay, in the same first candle region. Okay, all right. So let us know how Bank Nifty to know how Bank Nifty is going to perform for tomorrow or for the next couple of days. Let's directly jump into our daily chart. So we talk before we talk any further, I kindly request you to hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, and also hit that notification bell icon so that you will be notified uh, whenever we release our video. Oh, okay, so coming back to the video again. Uh, this is the Bank Nifty's daily chart here. So in yesterday's post-market and pre-market video, we have discussed. If you have seen that video, okay, we have discussed that this level is we spoke about this level may act as support for the Bank Nifty if it is coming down. If it is coming down very rapidly, then this entire level is going to act as support for the Bank Nifty. As we have discussed, Bank Nifty have exactly taken the support from this level. Okay, and it started to rise um, in the intraday format today. Okay, so let's check this level on a 5 minute time frame again. But as you can see, this bank uh, I mean, today Bank Nifty has exactly sharply taken supported from this level around 47,500 levels, and it has started to rise up. And this candle itself is looking like a hammer candle formation today in the Bank Nifty. So this candle, okay, is looking like a hammer candle formation in the Bank Nifty. So tomorrow, excuse me. So we cannot say that it has completely taken its a trend back again into an uptrend. To see that, you need to see some sort of a solid a green candle formation, bullish candle formation there, but that didn't happen yet. So we will continue to assume that this level is now is going to be act as a support level for the Bank Nifty if it is coming down. But if it starts rising up, to come to that conclusion, you need to see a bullish candle here next to it, or at least at this area very strongly, so that we can see how we can see that we can come to a conclusion that at least Bank Nifty has taken support from this area, and we can assume that the trend is going to reverse again from this direction. But until that happens, let's wait and see what's going to happen. But if by any chance, if Bank Nifty in a daily format tomorrow, if it gives close there, then our next level of support is definitely this region for the Bank Nifty. Okay, we have been discussing about this region from yesterday. Okay, so is the next level of support for the Bank Nifty if it is coming down. But if it start rising up, if it after forming a strong bullish candle here, then there are good chances that it can come almost till that level. But before that, it should touch this level first, that is 48,350 level, and after that it can go to 48,550 level. So that is how the Bank Nifty chart is looking on a daily time frame. Let's see how Nifty is looking on a daily time frame. So here we have the Nifty, and those who have seen yesterday's video would know that we have given this area we have marked this area, and we were talking that yesterday we are yet to see the direction for the Nifty, because it has taken exactly from this level. It has taken some sort of support, and it was closing around 21,600 levels. But before that, we have also discussed that these two candles put together is giving us an inside candle formation, and we have seen a breakout from this two candles setup yesterday. Okay, and we were waiting to see whether Nifty is going to fall and close below this area, so that we can expect a very good momentum towards the downside, because all this space is all available for the Nifty to fall. Okay, the next level of support for the Nifty will be somewhere in this zone. Okay, that is from 21,140 levels to 21,980 levels. Okay, but you cannot expect Nifty to form a red candle every day. In the meanwhile, if it sees any pullback, in that case, this is going to be act as resistance for the Nifty, as it is earlier support for the Nifty. Okay, so for any reason, if Nifty decides to rise again, if you see any strong a green candle, a bullish candle here closing above this, then in that case the levels will change. Your new levels will be around 21,750 levels. That's going to act as resistance. But let's see what's going to happen. Let's see whether it is a real strong breakout towards the bottom or not. Let's do one thing. Let's turn the volume on and see. Now you can get a fair bit idea about what is happening. You see, here there was a strong quantity volume on Nifty on this particular day, as you can see from this bottom bar. Okay, but then after that we have seen an inside candle formation, and on this day, because it is an inside candle formation, here we have seen a very low volume here. Okay, on this particular day, but we have seen a breakout from here, volume slowly started rising, and this volume right here, okay, is today's volume. So there is a lot of volume that is supporting today's breakout towards the downside here in the Nifty. Okay, so let's check volume on the Bank Nifty as well, and don't forget the fact that today is an expiry day for the Bank Nifty. See here, okay, there is volume consistently rising for the Bank Nifty as it is coming down, but today we have seen some sharp rejection from 47,450 levels. But let's see what's going to happen for for the Bank Nifty, because for Bank Nifty is having a couple of strong support areas there, and also this line is going to also act as support for the Bank Nifty. All right, so that is how Nifty and Bank Nifty are looking on a daily chart. Now let's turn the volume off and see how is the price action of Bank Nifty on a 5-minute time frame today, and see what are the options that would have made us some profit or loss today, and see what we can learn from today's price action from the Bank Nifty. So as we have discussed in the beginning of our video, Bank Nifty has opened at around 47,000 790 levels. From there, it has the first candle range itself is very large. Okay, so this is around 270 points of range for the first candle itself on a Bank Nifty, which is telling as traditionally that it is going to be a sideways day for the Bank Nifty. Whenever you see such big candles on a first candle, let's see this for example yesterday. Okay, so from the opening towards the downside, since it is a red the candle, it is just 120 points. Let's see the day before. See, since it is a red candle, let's start from the opening to the low is only 88 points. Let's see this candle from the open to the low is only 148 points. But whereas today, you see this is marginally very high. Okay, this 274 points of range on the first candle from the opening to the low is pretty large. So this kind of, so you should be careful on whenever you see candles like that on a very first candle. Excuse me. And see, pretty much for except for the 10 minutes today, Bank Nifty has maintained the overall levels, okay, throughout the session in those two levels only. As you can see from these two, if you think these two lines, these two blue lines are first candles high and low. You see, the bank nifty is pretty much in the same region, except for the 10 minutes, the two candles that has traded outside this range. Okay, so that much of sideways market. Suggests that even yesterday we thought that, after seeing this much of a sideways momentum, okay, this much of a sideways momentum, we can expect that that it is given breakout towards the end, towards the downside. So we kind of discussed yesterday that it may come down today. So that is what has happened, but that happened within 5 minutes, and the rest of the bank nifty for the whole day has remained sideways. Okay, but anyways, still let's mark our levels and see how we should have seen the market today. See, the initial, this swing low should have been marked as a support area, and here you have seen a breakout to the bottom, but we haven't seen any confirmation candle. In fact, these two candles put together, okay, is a very strong bullish engulfing pattern, is a bullish engulfing pattern. And also, if you notice the volume here, okay, volume on the green candle is higher than the red candle. Okay, and see, you have a couple of reasons to take a trade there. Okay, see, one is your one is your support area. Okay, and your second reason is a failed breakout here. First candle has given you a red candle, but then you haven't seen any follow through. And the third reason is you have seen a candlestick formation called bullish engulfing pattern, which is the reversal sign. Okay, that is coming at a very important location. And also, the fourth reason is the volume bar right there. Okay, this volume bar right there is also adding up to the fact that it is a very good level, a very nifty, sorry, bank nifty has taken support, okay, from this volume bar as well. All right, so there, if you notice from that particular point, excuse me, bank nifty for the entire day, okay, bank nifty for the entire day, it has not come to this stop loss area. So if you think this line, okay, this red line as okay, let me change the color. Oh, sorry. Yeah. So if you think that red line as your stop loss SL line, then we can see that it has remained the same for the whole session. Okay, that level is not touched. Okay, this SL line is never touched by the bank nifty. Okay, so it has absolutely maintained. If you have taken entry there, it has gone all the way up and it has come down, but then again it has gone up, a couple of swing highs there, a double top formation on an intraday, and a small breakout here, but then again a failure. So pretty much for the whole day you should have been in the trade, but since today is options expiry day for the bank nifty, your time decay would have worked uh, against your position, and you should have hardly seen a profit if you have taken a proper entry there. And if you had exited somewhere here, in that case you would have seen a good profit if you had exited somewhere here. But then when new bank nifty started falling again, you should have encountered some loss at this point. Okay, but then again from there, when it started slowly rising, theta is a Greek that works against you, especially on an options expiry day. So this time decay is called a theta, a technical analysis a language, in a proper language. Okay, so that's it on the bank nifty. And if you want to check nifty really quick, let's do one thing. Okay, let me remove all these drawings at once. Okay, now let's go to the nifty. So here we have nifty. So this green zone is coming from the daily chart. Let me show you that once again. So yes, here we are on a daily chart. Okay, yeah, so this green zone is coming from okay, the daily chart here from this swing high. And now let's go to our 5 minutes chart and see how. Okay, okay, see here you have Nifty opening at around 21,600 levels. Okay, it has seen a first swing low here. From there, it has seen a breakout with a confirmation, but then this is your immediate target. If you are entering there, if you are entering here, this should have been your immediate target, but there is no good risk versus reward ratio here. So one should have waited when it starts retracing towards the top line. Okay, let me zoom in a bit. Okay, yeah, here. Okay, you should have retraced, you should have waited for the retracement. Whenever you when again, when you see a bearish engulfing candle here, after this small moment here, you should have taken a trade with this as your target, and this definitely worked. Okay, this definitely worked here. And then you have seen another. It's ideal not to take any trade between these two red lines, because this is coming from a daily's this is working as support from a daily chart. You're not supposed to trade anything in between. And the next opportunity was here. Whenever you here, you have seen another bearish candle, there you have taken a trade with this as your target. That worked. Here you have seen a breakout, but that's a failed breakout here. So here you should have taken an entry with this as your stop loss. Okay, and it has crossed this level, and also it has come very close to this level, but it has not touched your target there to your topmost line there. So it depends on how, what kind of risk taking a trader are you. If you are a very risk taking trader, then you would have waited, and then again you should have got your um, uh, you know uh, SL from cost to cost, at least when you see a market there. Or a very simple way to trade this is, see if you are entering there, and if you have seen a swing high and a swing low forming, whenever if prices can't cross the swing high, whenever you see that particular instrument is coming back to the same level, you should have taken exit at least there. That is the right way to exit before you see your target getting hit. If you see any target is not getting hit, and in the meanwhile, if you are seeing a, a, a swing low forming, okay, if it's not able to cross this previous swing high with a close, or if it's not going till your target level, at least be prepared to take your profits here at this dotted line at least. Okay, so that is the way to trade. So here you have seen another swing breakout towards the bottom, and then a failure there. Okay, these two candles, and that kind of gone only till halfway, till midway, till this line. Okay, but that is very hard to find. So here either you have seen a no cost trade, or you have seen a very small loss there. After that, it has given a close with a double candle confirmation here. We have seen a double second candle also as a red candle here in this case. So expecting Nifty to be going little towards the downside, but you should always be prepared for your to face any surprise from the market. Okay, so you should always play with your swing high, swing low levels carefully. Also, you should have patience to trade with your quantity, otherwise you'll end up with a huge loss. Okay, so don't forget, tomorrow is Nifty expiry, so it's going to be interesting in the Nifty, after knowing the fact that it has given a breakout towards the downside on a daily chart from this level. Okay, so from that level, so let's see what's going to happen tomorrow. So let's catch up in tomorrow's video. Until then, trade safe, see you, and please do subscribe for our channel for more such videos. Thank you.